do. Sorry. Now, hopefully we're making this look very easy, because it is. The whole system is designed so that you can just put things together at home.
This user-friendly modular system is suitable for exterior, curved, angled, and even suspended structures, basically anything. If you can attach a hook to it, you can cover it and plant it using FlexiPlanter. Break free from drab, boring brick and concrete walls and create your own urban jungle to support your kitchen, your planet, and your soul.
At the back, this weatherproofing shield that will protect the wall and stop any damp going through.